In today's video, we will discuss how to download a document from Canvas. First step, find the document that you want to download. For example, today I want to download 2 ancient Meso timeline temp, as in the timeline template for the ancient Mesopotamia. Here we see a view of the timeline template, but we can see that we cannot write in the timeline template. So what you want to do is find download here, click it, and what happens is that your computer automatically downloads it. You may find it here in your download bar, or you may have to go to your files here, go to downloads, which may be here in quick access or under this PC, which you will find here. Then you will find the document here. What you will next want to do is make sure that you have in your documents a file that says World History, so that you can keep all your documents together. To do so, you're going to want to right-click on your mouse, hit New, Folder, World History. In my case, I'm going to put World History 2 since I already have a folder. Now, we go back to Downloads. We're going to say, click on the file, and we're going to say move. We can say copy. Going to go back to our documents, home, paste, and there we will find our own copy of the timeline template. That is how we download the template. Now, sometimes when you download a document, you will have to hit Enable Editing in order to edit the document. So it's this yellow bar up here, and I have to hit Enable Editing. Again, you can hit Save. And that is how we download a document.